Hello everyone, this is Bruce from Jingle Mining. So this video is going to be an announcement for our next live stream event on September 1st, 9 p.m. EST. So we will introduce our product Jasminer X4-Q live. And we will unbox this new baby together and see how it looks for the global first hands-on. Many customers has been waiting for this model for too long. And once again, Jasminer fulfilled the promise to deliver products on time. And the first batch of X4-Q will start shipping for the first pre-orders within August 31st based on the order queue. For customers and followers who haven't have any information about this new model, so let me give you a quick brief. Jasminer X4-Q is a quiet version of Jasminer X4-1U. It can produce 2 times of hash rate compared with the old model. It's suitable for home use, IDC room, and other scenarios, with the help of super low energy consumption and low fan noise feature. So basically, it's going to be the best ASIC miner in our SKU list. It's suitable for both home users and mining farm operation. I assure you now, you may have many questions about this new model, but I will stop here. So we will show you in the next live stream. And of course, you shall ask me anything about this X4-Q, and we will find out the answer together. Thank you for watching. So please keep following us and focus on us. See you guys on September 1st, 9 p.m. EST. My name is Bruce. See you there.